Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you? Here we
I'm
are.
fine. It's a huge workshop. I'm really
Definitely.
impressed of it.
That's amazing.
Thank you. Can you tell me more about your company, please?
Yeah, sure, why not? We are in the business since last almost 7 to 8 years. Okay. And we are providing all the services like electrical, body repairs and paints. We are servicing your car completely, clean detailing as well. We can do it. And soon we are starting the PPF as well in a month's time. So you can visit us for that as well. And definitely there's a special discount for all your clients, especially for your company. We are going to give at least 25% on labor cost.
Where are you located?
We are located in Alqouz 3 at the moment, next to Dubai Driving Center, and we are the neighbors of Porsche Service Center as well.
Thank you. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
thank you, dear. Take care. I would really request you guys to please pay a visit with your car, and we are definitely gonna take a good care of it and gonna diagnose it properly for you. If you have any mechanical issues, if you want to fix the body of the car, any scratches, major paint work, anything of it. Thank you, guys. Take care.
Thanks.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.